Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Telegram and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. If you find here update in display sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.